Welcome back to RAR Garage. In this episode, Matt will have less than 24 hours to finish fixing, testing, and getting the RC car ready for my video on my main channel. But not only that, the rest of Team RAR and the garage guys will be building the walls for us to crash the RC car into so we can test if this thing really is the world's toughest RC car.
Alright, so the RC car is built, but now we got to build something for it to crash into. So we're out here building a wooden wall that is going to be framed out like a typical wall in your house. We're going to prop it up and leave it out here in the field for the RC car to come in and smash. So all our work will be for nothing, but it's going to be fun. Alright, so we've got our beautiful wall here. It's 8 feet tall, 12 feet wide. It is RC car proof. There's no way it's getting through this thing. Tomorrow, we're gonna put drywall on it and we're gonna drive a car straight through it. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so we're gonna take the RC car out into the field and do a little bit of testing. We haven't really driven it that much. I'm gonna sit in it to drive it out to the field. Then we're gonna hop out and practice driving it from outside of the car. So that's where things get a little bit scary, a little bit dangerous, but that's why we're practicing. I just like, I don't want Jackson to ride in the car. I need somebody to shut the car off, just to be sure. Because I need to practice driving from outside the car, but I'm not confident enough in the kill. And that's all. Kill seems to be working, so good. Jackson's very trusting right now. Oh, did he kill it? He killed it, okay. He's not very trusting. I take it back. Yeah, he must have put it into first, like locked it into first or something.
Let's go back and check in with how the wall build is coming. I really wanted to test just how tough this car really is. So I built 4 different walls to crash the RC car into. One's built of cardboard, one's built from giant plastic Legos, another one is made from wood, and the final one you see here is made of concrete blocks. And these things are no joke, each weighing about 60 pounds. I really have my doubts that anything can get through this wall. Now back to Matt testing.
I'm gonna climb up in the monster truck and test it out again. This is gonna be so hard. I don't think. I'm trying. It's just hard to get it like lined up right. Oh, okay, that's one problem with not being in the car. I did not see that tip. Car feels fine still?
Yeah, it doesn't feel too wobbly or nothing.
Okay. It seems like it's okay.
What kind of noise were you hearing from it?
It's like a rattle back here, but it might just be like a chunk of like field debris or something in it. I don't know.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
All right, so all the walls are built. The Subaru is ready to go. It's all remote control. I've got my safeties installed. We're about ready to film. But one problem, if the Subaru gets out of control and I'm not able to stop it, it's actually gonna crash into the horse barn. So we're gonna set up the Camry and the Odyssey as a sort of vehicular wall, if you will, so that if the Subaru does get away, it's just gonna crash into them rather than all the way into the barn. So we're gonna get those moving right now. Luckily the Camry does sort of run, so we're gonna drive it out there, but the Odyssey, as you probably saw, went in the lake, so it doesn't run anymore. So we're gonna have to tow that one out there. So let's get started. Let's see if it even starts. Yeah, all right. Slimy. That's so disgusting. My foot is on the floor right now. This is as fast as it will go. Oh, God, it's so sticky. Everything in here is so nasty. I might have to drive this one into the lake just to clean it off, honestly. This is so gross. This might be the grossest car I've ever driven. And this is after Jackson cleaned it. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Oh, there we go. There we go. She's waking up. Come on, we're so close. Yes. Yes, there we go. Okay, so this really just needs to go right here, and then the minivan will go right in front of it. Well, there we go. We just barely made it. Whew. God, disgusting.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
If the Subaru gets out of control from those walls, it's gonna come through here and it'll be deflected by these cars and hopefully send it that way. Best case scenario, Subaru goes in the lake, so let's hope for that.
We're back to testing, but we need to make sure that bump didn't do any damage.
Oh yeah, still feels great.
Oh yeah.
Woo! That was great. Man, I didn't think I'd be able to pull that off with remote control, but it worked pretty well. That might have been the best remote control drift of all time. All right, so I'm gonna see just how much speed we can get from right here. Right about here where I can, well, not even, I'd have to still be able to see it. That was 40 again, and that was pinned from where I'd have to be. Making that look easy. That was only like 45 miles an hour. Was it?
Well, they're 45 hit, 45 hit. Now
Yeah, I think that's
you got to
it.
hit the target. So let's see if you can thread that thing from back there.
Oh, easy. Oh, standing behind it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to make sure Matt has the skill to drive the RC car accurately so he can actually hit these walls. Otherwise, we won't be able to film the video on my main YouTube channel.
That one was 39 miles an hour.
39?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It would do some damage.
Oh yeah.
The exhaust is falling off. That sounds great though.
Yeah.
It actually sounds good.
That explains the rattle.
Yeah.
Yep.
The exhaust was cracking before, so my guess but it sounds great.
Sure, yeah.
Sounds awesome.
Take it off and make it lighter.
Yeah. So what was that?
That one was right at
40?
40.
Okay.
Right when we crossed the line.
That was a bad run up too, but 40
Pretty good.
40 will be good enough for the other walls, I think. Yeah. Come on now.
Turn.
Oh yeah, I see the.
Poor thing. It's going to start leaving parts behind.
Is the exhaust dragging?
Yeah.
Might be. Okay, take it back to the garage. So the exhaust is falling off. I kind of predicted that earlier. So we're gonna take it back to the shop and take off the rest of it and hang up what's remaining so it's not dragging. Be right back. All right. See if we can fix this exhaust. This should be able to, oh, the hanger broke off too. Okay, this is gonna be really easy. May need a longer hose clamp, we'll see. Oh, this is gonna be easy, too easy. Okay. Cool. And it's fixed. I mean, that's gonna rattle around a little bit, but
It ain't gonna come back down.
it's not gonna fall down. Cool. All right, so we're finally here on film day. We're getting ready to go. It's gonna be awesome.
Do something like this. Remote control car means we can drive super fast with nobody in it, which means we can maximize destruction.
Okay, so right now Carter's pretending like he's driving the car, but I'm actually driving the car.
Switch engage.
Hey, and better brakes.
Welcome to Team Rock Garage.
We're in drive and sport mode, so it's going as fast as it possibly can. You ready to line it up? I'm going to be standing directly behind where it takes off from so I can line it up. This is supposed to be the easy one.
Yeah. How are you feeling about it?
A little nervous. I'm cool though. So this is my brake, and it's just like I set it up just like a brake pedal, so you push it away from you and it pushes the brakes, and you pull it away from you and it releases the brakes. This is the gas pedal and works just like a gas pedal. You push it away and it revs the engine, and then this is your steering, so left and right. And that's it. And Jackson has the key to shut it all down. That's all there is to it.
How mad do you think everybody would be if I killed it right before it got to the wall?
Pretty mad. Oh, so that's the other thing I meant to say. Kill it after it clears the wall.
So like once it goes through, kill.
Kill it. Just spam the off button. Just spam it many times as you can. Here we go. Brakes off. That was pretty good. Nailed it dead in the middle pretty much. Okay, well, let's see what the car looks like. Oh no way. Oh no way. Don't touch it. Don't even touch it. No way, dude. That's gnarly. That's intense. That's sick. I mean, just cardboard boxes did that? That's amazing.
Cameras are rolling.
Copy that.
Little bit squirrely there at the end, but we reined it in.
I saw that.
We reined it in. Oh no! Oh no!
I don't think he's super happy.
There's a Lego imprint on the front bumper.
There's a Lego.
There's like a Lego wall imprint. See the lines?
Yeah, you're right. Lego swap it fit perfectly. Oh wow, they're actually literally. Oh, that's so funny.
The wood and the concrete walls are going to be wild.
How are we feeling about this?
Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good. They're going great. 2 out of 4 are perfect. So right down the middle. Hoping for the same for these. This is a smaller target than the other two. It's a lot narrower, but yeah, we'll see.
Got back on the car.
How's that possible? My dad put it back on.
So that's negative points.
No, I
fixed the car fixed.
Wait, hold on a second.
We did nothing.
The car looks exactly the same.
It honestly might look better somehow.
Any last words?
You can do it. This is what makes a Subaru a Subaru. gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Stand back and finish smoking. It's smoking. Cover your eyes. Murder and smoking, be careful. Look at the damage of this case.
This looks okay. The sunroof
popped out. Oh, I mean, we should see if it still starts. The RC stuff looks fine. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, you're okay. Dude, wait a minute. Hold on, should we see if it starts? Can you hit on for me? That's on? Yeah, it's on. We're done. It's dead? We're it's done. Officially destroyed? I think. Oh, this thing is completely wrecked! Oh. Go! Yeah. Oh my God, the car! Ryan, stop! Stop wasting that. I'm out. Wait a minute. What's happening?
Servos.
Servos still work. Yeah. We might be able to make it. We might be able to make it run. Yeah. So the bricks literally flew through the car, but my servos still work. All right. So it's the next day. Car is obviously totally wrecked. I tried to start it after the impact and it won't turn on again. So we're busting out the rest of the windshield. We're gonna drag it back to the garage, tear off everything that's been smashed up, and I'm gonna see if I can get it to start again. So let's take a look.
Yeah, it's not rolling at all.
Dragging.
It's just dragging.
Wait.
Whoa. Stop.
Stop. I need you to move your car.
Yep. What do you think's wrong with it? I mean, obviously.
I mean, a lot of things. The oil pan's smashed, the wheels are all cracked. I've got to get the hood up so I can really see what's going on in there. So my next task is I'm gonna cut the hood latch because I can't pull it anymore and pull the whole hood off the car. And then I can see the engine bay, see what all is damaged, all that.
There you go. Alright, hood latch still works too.
Oh boy. I can start by taking all these accessories off of here, but we're basically hosed. Well, it needs a lot more than I was hoping. The whole front end pushed into the alternator and the power steering pump, so it's kind of already snowballing and I haven't even gotten it open. Oh well, it was worth looking into. We're basically hosed.